Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. In this video, I will tell you about chapter 1st of class 7, that is Wonder. This is a chapter about a boy, or you can say an extraordinary boy, that is August. His name is August. Here, let's see the beginning. August Pullman has been homeschooled by his mother as he had multiple surgery throughout the childhood. It means August has homeschooled at home by her mother since he had multiple surgery from his child when he was born. Now 10 years old, he is admitted to 5th grade. It means now his age is 10 years and he is admitted to class 5th in Beecher Free School. The name of the school is Beecher Free School. To make him experience school life, this is to get experience about school life, their parents has admitted her to the class 5th. In this extract from Wonder by R.J. Palacio, the author of this chapter is R.J. Palacio. In this, August talk about his family and himself. It means the beginning of the first part of this extract, in which August tell about him and his family. The second part of this extract is narrated by August's new friend, that is Summer. So let's see what August say about himself and his family. First, August, why I didn't go to school. August said that why he didn't go to school. Here he is explaining the reason why he is unable to go to school. I know I am not an ordinary 10-year kid. I mean, sure, I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream, I ride my bike, I play ball, I have an Xbox, stuff like that make me ordinary. Here, August said that he feel that he is an ordinary boy since he can do all the ordinary works. His age is 10 years and he do all ordinary things as to eat ice cream, to ride bike, to play ball or play with Xbox, which is a video game. Here he said that I feel ordinary. So he told that he is able to do these things like an ordinary child. I guessed I felt ordinary. He also said he is able to guess the things and he feel just like other ordinary kids. Inside, but I know ordinary kids do not make other ordinary kids run away screaming in playground. I know ordinary kids do not get distracted at wherever they go. From inside, it means from mind. Inside he know that he is not an ordinary by his physical appearance. I look by now. Here he has said I look by now. It means by his physical appearance he is not an ordinary. From inside this he know. I know how to pretend I don't see the face people make. We have all gotten pretty good at that sort of things, me, mom and dad and Via actually. I take that back, Via isn't good. Is it not so good at it? She can get really annoyed when people do something rudely. Here, August say about his father, mother and his sister Via. Her name is Olivia. Here in short he called him Via. Here he said that her mother and father take care of her her daughter, her sister. Via take care and she always protect her from the people who do something rudely towards August. Via does not see me unordinary. It means Via does not feel that August is an ordinary boy. She say she does. What she say she do. But if I were ordinary, she wouldn't feel like she need to protect me as much. Here, August said that if I was ordinary, then Via has to not protect me so much. She feel me like an ordinary boy, but according to Via, I am not ordinary. And mom and dad doesn't see me as ordinary either. They see me as extraordinary. Here, he also said that his mother and father also feel that August is a extraordinary boy. I think the only person in the world who realizes how ordinary I am is me. Here he said that he is only person in the world who know that he is ordinary, and beside that everyone thinks that he is extraordinary. Then in this first two paragraphs, August describes about his sister, father and mother. Now from this paragraph, in this paragraph, that is the third paragraph of the chapter, here he describes about himself. In the beginning he said that my name is August. By the way, I am not describing what I would like. Whatever you are thinking is probably worse. It means that he is not describing about his face, his physical appearance. What you think would be, it means what we thinking is probably worst. Next week I start 5th grade since I have never been to a real school before. He is saying that he has started his classes of 5th class from the next week, and before this he never seen a real school. I am pretty much totally and completely fried. People think I haven't gone to school because of the way I look. Here he said that August said that people think about him that he was not going to school because of his physical appearance, which was not correct. It is because of all the surgeries. I had 27 since I was born. He said that he is unable to go to school because he had 27 surgeries since he was born, and this is the main reason their parents not allow her to go to school. That is why the parents decided it was better if I didn't go to school. I am much stronger now. He is saying that he is now very strong and perfectly okay for the school. Though the last surgery he had was 8 months ago and probably had not have to have any more for another couple of years. Here he is saying that he had the last surgery 8 months ago, and now he haven't have to any more surgery for couple of years. In the next paragraph, he described about his school, home school. Mom homeschooled me as before. His mother has homeschooled him. She used to be a children's book illustrator. She draw really great fairies and memoirs. Her boy stuff isn't so hot, though I haven't seen her drawing anything in long. I think she is busy taking care of me and Via. He is telling her mother was doing is a housewife and she is very much busy to taking care of August and Via, and she is unable to give sufficient time for his study, and she didn't give long time. It means he didn't give sufficient time for his study. But though she has homeschooled him, I can't say I always want to go to school because that wouldn't be exactly true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like any other kid going to school, have lot of friends and hang out after school and strip like. He's telling that he has in mind that he want to go to school, but he didn't say due to his condition of surgeries. Now here the second part of the this extract. In this summer, his friend, who is the new friend of August in his class, he described about the summer qualities. Some kids have actually come out and asked me why I hang out with Frank so much. There are kids who don't even know him well. If they knew him, they wouldn't call him that. He said about the August that he is a good kid, but some of the kids hang out him, and they were thinking that he is he was here. The meaning of frank is given someone who is considered strong because of the way they look, but that is not true. He also said if they know him, they will not call him as a frank because he is a nice kid. He said that Summer said that August is a nice kid. I always answer and don't call him that. It means Summer never call him anything. He is a good boy, and he sit with 2 weeks, and together they do their all the works. In the class, some of the boys have given him a nickname that is Zombia Kids. They irritate him by calling the name, but Summer never call him with such name. Here Summer said that I do admit August's face takes some getting used to. I have been sitting with him for 2 weeks now, and let's just say he is not the neatest eater in the world, but other than that, he is pretty nice. I should also say that I don't really feel sorry for him anymore. I keep sitting down with him because he is a fun. Here, Summer described about the fun, August, that August is a very nice boy. He is a very pretty boy, and he is a funny also. Summer sit 2 weeks with him in the class as they were classmates, and he doesn't feel sorry for anything or anymore. He keeps sitting down with him because August is a good boy. I had warned Mom about August's face. I had described what he looked like. Here August said that he has told about the August face, told her mother about August's face, and also he has described how August is looking, because he know that when her mom meet him first time, he may shocked to see his face. So before calling him to his house, Summer has described all the things about August's physical appearance to his own mother. And now here, but I could tell from the expression on her face, and she come home after work and hadn't prepared her enough. Here he said that he told her mother everything because so that she will be prepared for everything when the summer come, and she didn't get shocked to see him or to meet him first time. Here later, Summer said that Augie come to his house and they worked together on the project given in their school. Summer's mother saw him, but he said just okay. They wish each other, and then Summer asked him if Augie stay here for the dinner. Then her mother just say it's okay, he can. Then after a while, Augie and Summer working, and soon they become tired and they leave the room. At the ending, Summer said that he want to know about his face. He just want to ask, but he is thinking that asking about the physical appearance may hurt the August. But though he want to ask, when he started when he start asking question, August said that it is okay for me, I have habit. Many people ask me such questions, so there is nothing. And then he described about his self, he told about the surgeries, how many surgeries he has had to from his childhood, and also he told the so many names of as syndromes, Morpheus. These are the surgeries which had to undergo Summer. In this way, both of them talked, and at the ending, Summer said, Augie, that you are a funny boy. In this way, this chapter extract ends. Now let's see exercise. First question, filling the blank with one word. The question is, August knew he was not an ordinary kid. Second is, however, he felt ordinary. Third is, he was because he didn't think like other kids. Fourth, when other children saw August for first time, they were scratched. Question number 5th will be, via his sister felt she had to protect him from the other people's rudeness. Question number 6 will be, the problem with August was his strange face. Number 5th, it looked like other because he had multiple surgery. Now let's see another part of this question A, that is answer this question in few words. First question is, what nickname did given Id in the school give August, that is the Zombia kid. Question number 2 is, why did someone like to spend time with August? And the answer is, he was fun and nice. Third question is, how did Summer's mother feel when she first saw August? It will be shocked in short, and if you write in detail, it will be Summer's mother was shocked when she met first time, or he saw the August anyway. Question number 4 is, what did Summer say that made August feel happy and proud? And the correct answer will be, to make happy and proud, Summer say, you are funny, Augie. In this way, we have done question answer A. I hope you have understood. So, thank you for the watching.